Have you ever just wished you could crack open a PDF and edit it, like a normal document? Well, today we're going to show you exactly how to do that to unlock all that trapped content right inside of Microsoft Word.
Oh, we've all been there, right? You get a PDF and you just need to make one tiny change, or maybe copy a single paragraph, and it feels like it's sealed inside this digital vault. It's such a common frustration, but believe it or not, the fix is surprisingly simple, and it's probably already on your computer.
So let's just quickly talk about the problem itself, because this is something that trips up so many of us in our day-to-day work. You're looking at this document, and it has everything you need. The text, the charts, the images, but it's just static. Trying to get that content out can feel like a huge headache. But what if the solution was already right there, waiting for you? And this is the great news. You probably don't need any kind of special software or some sketchy online converter. Microsoft Word has this really powerful and honestly often overlooked feature built right in. That's right, Word can actually open a PDF file and convert its contents, we're talking the text, the images, the whole shebang, into native, fully editable parts of your Word document. I mean, for anyone who's ever fought with a PDF, this is a total game changer. Okay, so before we jump into the step-by-step, let's cover 3 quick but really important pro tips. Knowing these is going to help you get the best results and avoid any surprises along the way. First things first, the conversion isn't always perfect. Word does a fantastic job, but you should expect the layout to shift around a little bit. You'll probably need to do a little tidying up afterwards. Second, and this is important, this is a one-way trip. Once you bring that content into your Word doc, it's now part of your Word doc. It's no longer connected or linked to that original PDF file. And number 3, any interactive stuff in the PDF, like fillable forms, those are not going to work. Word is just going to grab the static text and the images. All right, with those tips in mind, you are ready to go. Let's walk through the exact steps to make this happen. And hey, just a quick note on compatibility. If you're using Word for Microsoft 365 or really any version from 2013 or newer, you are all set. The process itself is really just a few clicks. So you'll start on the Insert tab, but the key here is to look for the Object menu. From there, you're going to choose Text from File. Find your PDF, click Insert, and, well, Word takes care of the rest. Now, here's one tiny but absolutely critical difference to watch out for. If you can't find your PDF when you're looking for it, PC users just need to select All Files from the drop-down menu. If you're on a Mac, you'll need to click Options first and then enable All Files. It's a small step, but it's the one that trips everyone up. You're almost there. Word is going to pop up a little final confirmation, just letting you know that it's about to convert the PDF. Just click OK if you're on a PC, and the magic happens. On a Mac, it's even easier. It just gets to work automatically. And that is it. Seriously, the process is complete. Your previously locked content is now free and ready to go. So the text, the images, everything from your PDF is now just sitting right inside your Word document, ready for you to work with. No more roadblocks, no more frustration. So what does this actually mean for you? It means you have total control. You can change the wording, you can fix typos, delete whole paragraphs, you can resize images, move them around. You can integrate that content perfectly into your bigger report or project. And of course, after all that great work, there is just one last thing to do. As always, please remember to save your file to lock in all those changes. Unlocking a simple feature like this can save a ton of time and frustration. It really makes you wonder, right? What other incredibly useful features are just hiding in plain sight in the software we use every single day? That's definitely something worth exploring.